of Management Study, University of Mumbai. Representation name Factors of Production. Represented by Vidya Bhaskar Garje. Semester 1 MBA. Subject name Managerial Economics. Production. Factors of production. What is production? Production is in outcomes of in economical activity. Professor J.R. Hicks defined production as any activity directed towards the satisfaction of other people's want through exchange. What is a factor of production? First point, anything anything that assists production is termed as factors in production. But second, but mere extents is not necessarily a factors of production. Third, it is become a factor of production only when it actually assists or contributes to production. Basic factors of production. First point, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. Land. First point, land is the original and primary factor of production. Second, without land, the production process cannot exceed further. Third, in economics, all the nature resources that are available, first, on the surface of the earth, second, below the surface of the earth, third, above the surface of the earth, and which are used in production is called land. Features of land. Land is a free gift of nature. Second, land has no cost of production. Third, the supply of land practically the inelastic. Fourth, land is the subject to law of diminishing returns. Land is a impossible. Labor. First, labor is a human factors of production. Second, in the economics, labor is a defined as economics activity of man with a head and hand. Third, labor is a human factors of any kids, manual or mental skilled, unskilled, scientific or artistic undertaken with view of creating or editing unity. Features of labor. Labor is a human factor. Second, active factors. Third, labor cannot be stored. Fourth, no two labors are individual. Capital. Capital is a man-made resources of a production used to produce further wealth. Second, it is refers to the stock of capital asset such as the factories, machines, tools and equipments, raw materials, transport vehicles, etc. Third, therefore, capital is defined as a produced means of production. Features of a capital. Features of a capital. Capital is a man-made factors of production. Second, supply of capital is a elastic. Third, capital has a mobility. Fourth, all capital is wealth, but all wealth is not capital. Entrepreneur. Enter Entrepreneur is a person who bring in land, labor and capital is one place and use it for the production process. He is the person who decide first what is the produce, second how to produce, where to produce. The person who taken the decision along with the risk associated with them known as the entrepreneur. Features of an entrepreneur. He must be the good administrator. He must possess complete knowledge. He must be the person imagination. He must be the man of action. Advantages of factor of production. First, business improvement. Second, increase production. Third, create higher quality goods. Limitation of production. First, extent of the market. Second, nature of industry. Third, nature of demand. Fourth, use of machinery. Fifth, raw material. Sixth, labor and capital. Seventh, ability of organizer. Conclusion: any company use the factors of production to produce goods and services, not just to increase the production, but as the basic form. Thus are the most cultural means for any businesses to operate. The factors of production include land, labor, and capital. However, some incorporate enterprises um, as fourth factors because he is the one who tells all the risk involved in the business. Will many others solars do not agree to this view, but overall, including entrepreneurship, there are a four factor of production. Thank you, everyone.